In this video, I want to compare two really powerful marketing platforms that any online business can benefit from. Highlevel and Simvoly. I will compare Highlevel with Simvoly across a few important departments including features, ease of use, pricing structure, customer support, and much more. So I hope that by the end of this video, you will have a good idea of what tool is better for your specific business needs. Now, for your convenience, I've included links to both platforms in the description of this video so you can follow along and sign up to the one that you think would be better for you. So first, let's talk about the features and functionality, starting with Highlevel. So Highlevel is primarily designed for marketing agencies, and it offers a robust suite of tools including CRM functionalities, marketing automation, sales funnels, and extensive analytics. Highlevel stands out with its white label capability, which allows agencies to brand the platform as their own when offering it to clients. Additionally, it includes features like appointment scheduling, social media management, and reputation management, making it a comprehensive solution for agency use. Now, Simvoly, on the other hand, is more geared towards entrepreneurs and small to medium sized businesses, focusing on website building and e commerce. Simvoly's key features include a drag and drop website builder, e-commerce solutions, funnel builder, and CRM tools. It is particularly known for its ease of use in creating beautiful websites online without requiring any coding knowledge. Now let's talk about the ease of use. So this is the dashboard for Highlevel when I sign in, and this is what it looks like. And even though Highlevel offers so much functionality, it has literally everything you need to start and scale your online business. It's really easy to follow along, and everything is organized and divided in a simple way. It's designed to be intuitive, and it makes it really easy for agencies to manage various marketing tasks effectively. Now, Simvoly also promotes a user-friendly experience with its drag and drop editor, which simplifies the process of building websites, funnels, and e-commerce stores. The platform is designed to be straightforward, allowing users to quickly create and customize their online presence without any technical difficulties. Now let's talk about integration capabilities. So Highlevel was built with integration in mind. You can integrate Highlevel seamlessly with a vast range of tools, including major CRM systems, payment gateways, and other marketing platforms. Its API access also facilitates custom integrations, enhancing its appeal to agencies that manage diverse client needs. Some popular tools that Highlevel can easily integrate with include Salesforce and HubSpot for CRM, Stripe, PayPal, and Square for payments, and a bunch of other tools and platforms like MailChimp, ClickFunnels, Zapier, and more. So if you already use some sort of marketing software, chances are that you can easily integrate it with Highlevel. Now, Simvoly also offers integration capabilities that are mainly focused on e-commerce and marketing tools, including popular payment gateways, email marketing services, and analytics tools. So, for example, with email marketing, you can easily integrate Simvoly with MailerLite, Aweber, ActiveCampaign, Moosen, GetRespond, and MailChimp. These are really popular tools. And they've got thousands of apps via Zapier, Make, Pabbly, or Integrately. You can connect to payment processors like PayPal and Klarna and Molly and Mobile Pay and a bunch of others. So it really has all the integration features that you could possibly need to connect your favorite apps. Now let's talk about the pricing structure. So what I really like about Highlevel's pricing structure is they offer a 14-day free trial for both of their plans, the starter and the unlimited plan. So you can test out every single thing this platform has to offer completely for free for 2 weeks. Now the starter plan is $97 a month, and it literally includes everything you need to have a very successful online business. You've got all the tools to capture leads, to nurture and close those leads into customers, to do online booking and manage pipelines, a social calendar, and to build a website, and so much more. And one thing that's really unique about Highlevel is that on their cheapest plan, they actually offer unlimited contacts and users. And that's not something that a lot of these companies offer. They usually offer unlimited on their most expensive plan, but they actually offer it on their starter plan. On the unlimited plan, they offer everything from the starter plan, plus API access, unlimited sub accounts, so you can work with as many clients as you want at the same price, and a branded desktop app. Now, Simvoly also offers a 14-day free trial, which is great, and they actually offer a few different pricing options, 4 different categories. They've got the personal, business, growth, and pro. For the vast majority of people getting started, the personal plan would be perfect. It's just $12 a month, and it includes tons of stuff like one website, a funnel, more than enough traffic bandwidth. You can get 100 subscribers and send emails up to 1,200 people. So lots of stuff here. And if you decide to upgrade to the business or growth or pro, then you just get more of the same stuff, as well as a few other features like funnel checkouts, bump offers, and one-click upsells. You get live chat support for all the plans. So even if with the cheapest plan, you can get all the support you need. And the pricing really depends on how you want to use it. They've got websites and funnels. Then you can also use it for white labeling or for email marketing. And the price for email marketing really depends on your subscribers. But once again, you can try out the entire platform for 14 days completely for free. Now, if we talk about the customer support, both platforms have really good customer support. This is my dashboard for Highlevel, and if I want to contact support, I can just go to this question mark here, and then I can directly live chat or contact them through phone. With Simvoly, you can drop them a line here just by sending a message and they'll get back to you really quickly. And they also have this button right here, like an automatic chat bot where you can message them directly through here as well and get support. You could also give them a call or email as well. So both Simvoly and Highlevel offer really good support if you need help. They both also maintain lots of training materials that you can use to actually help solve your problems. So if you go to university, they've got a bunch of training here on how to use different features. And similarly with Simvoly, they have a comprehensive knowledge base that helps users navigate the platform and solve common problems. So by now, you probably have a pretty good understanding of both Highlevel and Simvoly, but what do other customers have to say about them and which one has better reviews? So if you go to Trustpilot here, which is a really popular website for verifying reviews and seeing if companies are legit, you can see that Highlevel has a 4.9 rating out of 5 with over 2,000 reviews, and it's a verified company. The vast majority of the reviews are 5 stars, including recent ones as in 6 days ago, 4 days ago, and so on. There's some amazing reviews about how amazing Highlevel is, and it's been like that for years. But how does Highlevel's review compare to Simvoly? So if I go to Trustpilot for Simvoly, then they only have 2 reviews with an average of 3.2, and it's a verified company. Obviously, 2 reviews is a very small sample size, so I wouldn't take this too seriously. But of course, Highlevel has been around a lot longer, and they are much more reliable, so you can make of that what you will. So the decision between Highlevel and Simvoly should really be based on your specific needs and your business preferences. But here are my general recommendations based on my personal opinion. So you have to consider your primary business needs. If you're a marketing agency looking for a comprehensive platform that includes CRM, email marketing, social media management, and white label capabilities, then Highlevel would be a no-brainer. It's definitely the better platform because it's all in one. But if you're a new entrepreneur and you want to start your first online business, then Simvoly is probably a better option for you since it won't overwhelm you with features and perks that you probably won't need anyway. It offers everything you need to get your online business, such as digital marketing, off the ground. You can use it to quickly build a website, set up sales funnels, and even handle payments. So I've included the links to both of these platforms, Highlevel and Simvoly, in the description below, so you can check them out. And if you have any questions or concerns, then let me know in the comment section and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.